Home insurance versus buildings versus contents versus landlord versus home emergency. Which one is better for full home security? Protecting your home isn't just about keeping your walls standing, it's about safeguarding everything inside and ensuring peace of mind. Most homeowners get this wrong by assuming a single policy covers all risks. The surprising truth is that buildings, contents, landlord, and home emergency insurance each serve very different purposes. Buildings insurance covers the structure itself, walls, roof, floors, and permanent fixtures. If fire, flood, or storm damage occurs, this policy ensures your home can be repaired or rebuilt. Without it, you could face tens of thousands in unexpected repair costs. Contents insurance protects your possessions inside the home, including furniture, electronics, and personal items. This is crucial because even if your building is intact, theft, fire, or water damage can destroy valuable belongings. Landlord insurance is designed for rental properties. It typically combines buildings and contents cover with additional protection against loss of rent, tenant damage, or legal liabilities. For property owners, this ensures both income and property are protected. Home emergency insurance covers urgent issues like boiler breakdowns, plumbing leaks, or electrical faults. While not a replacement for full insurance, it offers rapid assistance to prevent small problems from becoming costly disasters. So, which is better for full home security? Ideally, a combination of buildings and contents insurance forms the core of protection. If you rent out your property, landlord insurance is essential. Adding home emergency cover completes the package, providing quick support for unexpected breakdowns. In short, full home security isn't about choosing one policy, it's about layering coverage to protect both the property and the people living in it. With the right combination, you can rest easy knowing your home, possessions, and rental income are safeguarded against the unexpected.